I'm not gonna lie, y'all. This could be the end. What you think, Moose? What you think? This is the end?
In the beginning, in the beginning.
Yeah, but when you finish going to Spitfire.
Hi, I'm Clueless. Moose. This is Moose, and this is my story. But let me get a little bit more comfortable because I'm quite dirty from working on the car. So much better now. I don't even know how we changed so fast. But we are back. It is another video. And guys, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, it's not a good one. We are here because I'm addressing a bunch of some stuff that's going on. Some stuff that I should have been addressed when I first started the channel and current stuff that's going on right now. But first, let's take a walk. So those of you who don't know, or you can't know, here is one of my cars. Here is my 07 335. That is custom tuned on E85, upgraded turbos, port injection, the full nine. Like, there's a lot going on with that car. That's one of them. That's one car. Then we have my 05 TL. This is gonna be what you would call to be my stance car. I'm going to shows with it. It's cambered out. It's on bags. Just the way that I like it in my eyes. And that's that. Then we have my 1998 E36 that I single turboed over last summer, that I had a series about on the channel of me doing the whole builds from NA to being single turbo with a CX racing kit. And finally, last but not least, we have the car that started it all. The car that I'm sitting down in front of, my baby, my most precious prize, is my 1998 Honda Accord. This was my first car, y'all. Had this car from 2018, it's 2025, so I've had it for 7 years. That's crazy. That's really crazy. Listen, let me stop beating around the bush and get what we came here for. I'm addressing the situation on my channel. The people have hit me up and asked me, like, yo, where are your videos at? Like, what happens to your videos? Like, you done posting? And the answer is, I just might be. Like, this literally might be the end. I don't know how to explain it. I woke up maybe like a month ago. I woke up and I was going to go post something on the YouTube channel for you guys to see, obviously. And when I went to go post the shit, there was no videos there. And I was confused. I'm looking at my channel, I'm scrolling, I'm going in YouTube Studio, I'm scrolling, I'm looking, computer, my phone, everywhere. And it's still saying no videos. And like, that made no sense to me because I just had saw my videos like a couple of days ago. So I'm hitting up YouTube support. I'm questioning, like, yo, what happened? Did I get hacked? How all my videos disappeared, but I still have access to my account? None of that made any sense to me. So through some further investigation and some replies from YouTube and the Creators Studio and the Creator Academy and Creator Support, whoever, came to the conclusion that it was somebody around me that got access to my account, made it in there, and deleted all my videos. I'm not gonna throw anybody underneath the bus, because that's not what I'm here for. The person knows who they are. And that's what it is. It was so annoying because I worked hard. That was 5 years of work, of videos on my channel. I dedicated my channel to my mom. If you guys know, I probably really haven't said it on YouTube for you guys to really know, but like, I started this channel in Clues Garage in October of 2020, if I'm not mistaken, after a falling out with my boy Icy, the Backyard Built. Because if you know me, you know that me and my boy Icy, we started Backyard Built Performance together, and we were making videos or whatever, and then I just randomly dropped out the picture. Not gonna go into the details of that. Me and Icy, we had a falling out a couple of years ago, and back then I was more immature, and like, it could have been resolved then, but as I said, I was immature then, and I let the stuff blow up way bigger than what it was. Even though it was a big deal to me at the time, I let it blow up, and it could have solved the situation for real, but that was that. And I decided to go off on my own and start Clues Garage, which I did. Started YouTube was hard because talking to the mic, talking to my spatula, like just talking in front of a camera was super hard to me 5 years ago. Like I've come a long way with being able to talk in front of a camera, and like I can't believe that everything is just gone, and it's hard to me to just want to start back over because I had a little bit of emotion, if I must say so myself, not to toot my own horn or anything. Like going to GAT last year with the TL across the street, if y'all see it in the back, that opened up my eyes and it opened up my channel. I thank God for all the blessing that he gave me with the subscribers and the views on the GAT video, and it dragged my channel from 500 subscribers to 13K. Like, and that was actually crazy to me. Within 2 months we grew that many subscribers, and I thank you guys every day for that. But now it's like, if you know, in October of 2022 my mom passed away, and I stopped posting videos on YouTube for maybe a good part of a year. So from October 22 to October 23, I really stopped posting videos because I was just taking time to myself. I got back on the video grind, and I really ramped up 2024 when I got back into the flow of things. Started posting more and more. I brought more cars out. I started doing the stuff with the E36, with the TL. The Accord was on the back burners for the longest, and the 335, like I was just doing my stuff with those cars. I was recording, I was posting, and everything was lit. Like YouTube was going good in my eyes. And like, this is something, if you guys know me, that I'm really, really, really passionate about. Like, this is my dream, to be lit on YouTube, not for the fame, but because I love cars. Like, that's my passion. Fast forward, here we are now, summer of 2025, and the videos are gone. Like, I was just saying that I was gonna get back on with the Accord, start fixing it again, and start posting for you guys, because the Accord was what really started the channel. That's what really brought me here, to bring me to the spot where I am now, and everything is just gone and erased just like that. My thought process is when somebody wants to hurt you, they know exactly how to do it. And I'm not gonna drag this video out, make it a super long video. Like, it is what it is. I just wanted to update you guys and let y'all know what's going on, because as I said, people asked, the videos are not able to be recovered. And with the early stage videos of my channel with the Accord, like, I don't have any of those anymore. I changed computers and I lost a hard drive with all the old video files from when I first started with the Accord, from when my first video, Welcome to Clues Garage, to when I went into the dealership with the hood off, man, to when I did the hybrid race and shifter install. All of those videos are gone. So like, it hurts. I'm not gonna lie, it definitely hurts. As I said, I'm asking y'all, like, to me, I just want to be done. It's like, yo, say, forget it and call it quits. Like, I owe it to you guys, because you guys got me here to the position that I am with YouTube. Just to give y'all, just to get y'all opinion, actually. So what do y'all think that I do? Do I start over fresh and continue going from where I left off? Or I call it quits?